Ruby.
Ruby. Ruby. Oh.
Aww. She acts like Nico. See that?
Ruby.
What?
Ruby. Hey. Hey. Ruby.
Ruby. Ruby. Aww. She can give you kisses?
Yes, give me
Oh, shoot. Oh, shoot. Ruby.
Ruby. Ruby. Ruby. Hey. Give me a kiss.
You gonna give kisses? You gonna give some kisses?
Whenever you ask her kisses, she starts nodding her head. Ruby. Ruby.
She'll give Mason kisses. She likes
Oh,
Mason.
That's what I'm talking about. She started moving. Like, nope, nope, nope.
Sam not doing it. Sam not doing it.
She only gives kisses with certain people.
Say only Mason, O'Reilly. She really likes the boys. She really likes the boys. Ruby.
Ruby. Ruby. What are you doing? Oh,
Jealousy.
did you see that?
Oh, 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 oh.
Oh.
Do it again.
Oh.
Aww.
Oh. Oh.
Aww. You are just so jealous, Mia. 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 Good girl. Good girl. Mia. Shh. Shh.
I want some rock and roll on this.
What you doing, Ruby? What you doing, Ruby? Ruby?
I like her ear rug.
Yeah, she does.
Oh. You tell because she tilts her head.
I like that. I like the way that feels.
She wants to
Oh, look at her. Does that feel good? She's gonna roll all the way.
Look at she's holding onto my hand.
Oh, Ruby.
Oh.
Did Emily stop?
I can't even pet it now.
Oh. No, she's just working her hair out. That's all.